All right, so today I'm making shrimp and grits with a side of blackened catfish, but not just regular grits. Today I'm making cheddar bacon grits. Y'all better pay attention. This is what we're working with tonight. 3 catfish fillets and some white shrimp. Let's season them up. I'm using Tony Chachere's. Hit them fillets up with some of that Chachere's. I'm gonna hit the shrimp up with the same Tony Chachere's seasoning. I'm gonna add a little extra black pepper. And some garlic powder. Garlic powder on the shrimp. And let's hit these shrimp with a little black pepper too. Solid. I'm gonna crisp up some bacon so I can crumble it into my grits. So let's throw this bacon into the oven real quick. Perfectly done, beautiful, delicious, crisp bacon. I'm just gonna crumble it up. Normally I would dice it up, but let's make it easy on myself. Crumble it up. We're gonna sprinkle that right into the cheddar grits. Oh yeah. Catfish on deck. Gonna pop it in the oven real quick. Now, I threw the catfish on the same pan I just baked the bacon in. So these fillets get a little bacon flavor from the bacon grease. Once it's baked, I'm gonna blacken it in the broiler. Sharp cheddar. I never use pre-grated cheese, man. That's half-assing it. That's not what I do. I grate all my cheese by hand. Now let's make these grits. I've got boiling water and milk, salt, garlic powder, and some butter in here. I'm gonna slowly whisk in my grits. Gotta whisk, otherwise they're gonna clump together. So I've got my shrimp here. I've got a flour and Tony Chachere's combination. I'm gonna hit my shrimp up with the flour first, and then I've got a wet batter I'm gonna cover them with after that. Flour up these shrimp. Shake off excess. Now that I tossed the shrimp in the flour and Tony Chachere's, I'm gonna dip each one into my wet batter, egg, flour, cold water, drop them down into the fryer. Shrimp are frying up real nice. Let's let them get real crispy. Grits looking real good. I'm gonna throw the bacon in. Finish it off with the sharp cheddar, baby. Mix well. Real well. Get everything incorporated. All the flavors blended. Get that cheese melted. I've got my burner off now. So I'm just gonna let these chill with the lid on till we're ready to serve. I like to garnish this dish with green onions and diced tomatoes. Knock those out real quick. Yes, I know I need to sharpen my knife. All right, we're gonna plate it up. Got my cheddar bacon grits. Creamy, cheesy. Got my fish fillet. Little blackened catfish. Got my shrimp. Battered, fried, crispy. Then let's top it off. Diced Roma tomatoes. And some green onion. Let's eat.